this is, I'm so tired because we were, it was about like, I don't know how, like 8 o'clock, 8:30 right now. Oh my goodness, I'm running around, I'm trying to get things done, and the chicks are doing pretty good because they're gonna have a heck of a blizzard tonight. Along like starts at 4. So the chicks are doing good. They're keeping away. Let's try to get that one right there. So you guys having fun trying to watch me get another chick. There we go. Easy. Sorry. Easy girl. Sorry. Okay? Oh, there. So they're doing pretty good. And their wing has been doing good. And come here. Right there. See? Look at that wing. Oh, don't make a fuss about it. Don't you worry. Just want to see it. Look how good that wing now is. It's going really good. So they're doing good. It's like the biggest trick there is. Don't worry. Don't poop your. So really, like stand straight up. Just don't fall down there, okay? It's a pretty long fall. You could get hurt. Easy. So, just a cute. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So I hope you like this video. I am stuttering again. And I hope you like this video. Please comment down below. Goodbye.